Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Cook with Sana Kuram. This is Sana. Today I'm going to share with you all the very famous and ultimately juicy and delicious beach style gunpowder prawn fry recipe which you can make in just 5 minutes. I'm going to save my LPG by cooking these prawns in my prestige induction stove which I've been using for the past 1 year and I'm absolutely happy with its features and performance. And this ceramic coated pan with induction compatible base is also from Prestige. Now switch on the stove and press the menu option. 1300 watts is the standard setting to cook. It can be increased or decreased. Now keep pressing the menu option to choose the saute mode. Add about 3 tablespoons of gingerly oil and let it get heated. Prawn should be cooked over a high temperature, hence let's increase the power to 1600 watts. Add a handful of curry leaves. Now add 400 grams of de-shelled, clean and deveined large prawns and cook them without adding water. The prawns release their water and get cooked. So never add water to cook these prawns. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder followed by 3/4 teaspoon of red chilli powder and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and mix well. We can also marinate the prawns with turmeric powder and salt for 15 minutes in the refrigerator before cooking them. Now add 2 teaspoons of oil and cook. Oil should be added in batches. Add half a teaspoon of salt. Now the prawns have absorbed all the spices and salt and have stopped releasing their water. Now finally add about 2 tablespoons of oil and cook so that the prawns turn crispy and juicy. Prawns should not be cooked for more than 5 minutes, otherwise they would turn rubbery. Now they are done, switch off the stove. This is Aachi masala idli podi or otherwise called gunpowder. Add 1 teaspoon of this gunpowder to the prawns for that unique flavor and taste. You can also use homemade idli podi to sprinkle over these prawns. Now a super scrumptious, crispy and succulent beach style gunpowder prawns are ready. Serve them piping hot as a starter or as a side dish for dal rice or rasam rice. Friends, please try this recipe and I'm sure you will love this unique, flavorful and delicious prawn fry. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you like this recipe and my video, please hit a like, share it with your family and friends and write your valuable feedback in the comment section. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notifications of my new uploads. Meet you all in my next upload. Until then, this is Sana signing off with lots of love.